Hello students, so next we will do question number 6 of your exercise 14.1. The table shows the daily expenditures on food of 25 households in a locality. So question में क्या given है कि मतलब daily expenditures मतलब daily 25 घरों के कितने कितने खर्चे होते हैं हमें वो टेबल में शो किया हुआ है, ठीक है। सो जिनका एक्सपेंडिचर डेली 100 से लेके 150 रुपीज़ है, देर आर हाउ मेनी हाउसेस 4। जिनके एक्सपेंडिचर डेली 150 से 200 तक है, देर आर 5 हाउसेस। जिनके एक्सपेंडिचर 200 से 250 तक है वो है 12 हाउसेस। 250 से 300 तक 2 हाउस है, 300 से 350 तक अगेन 2 हाउसेस। सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द मीन डेली एक्सपेंडिचर ऑन फूड बाय सुटेबल मेथड। सो आपने फाइंड करना है कि मतलब सभी हाउसेस का मेन डेली एक्सपेंडिचर कितना होगा, ठीक है। सो फर्स्ट आप लिखोगे कॉलम में क्लास इंटरवल व्हिच इज गिवन। नेक्स्ट यू विल राइट हियर फ्रीक्वेंसी। नाउ वी विल फाइंड हियर फर्स्ट क्लास नंबर। सो स्टूडेंट यू कैन सी हियर द वैल्यू ऑफ क्लास इंटरवल इज गिवन इन 3 digits। सो वी विल अप्लाई हियर थर्ड मेथड दैट इज स्टेप डिवीजन मेथड, ठीक है। सो क्योंकि वैल्यूज काफ़ी ग्रेटर है इनकी, सो स्टेप डिवीजन से जो मतलब आंसर है हमारा इजीली सॉल्व होगा, ठीक है। सो फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड हियर क्लास मार्क। सो हाउ टू फाइंड दिस क्लास मार्क? इट इज द एवरेज ऑफ लोअर क्लास लिमिट एंड अपर क्लास लिमिट। सो लोअर क्लास लिमिट इज फर्स्ट इंटरवल इज 100 एंड द अपर लिमिट इज 150। सो 100 plus 150 is 250 and 250 by 2 is 125. So the first class mark is 125. Similarly, you can find the other class mark. So this one is 175, 225, 275 and 325. Now we have to find here UI. And what is UI? UI is xi minus a divided by h. So what is a? So a is assumed and taken in the middle term of class mark. So you can see here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. So middle term is which one? Third one, 225. How much students? 225. So write it A is equal to 225 and H is our class size, which is the difference of lower limit and upper limit. So 150 minus 100 is 50. 200 minus 150 is again 50. So class size is here 50. Now UI is what? Xi minus A. So Xi is 125 and the value of A is 225. So 125 minus 225, it is minus 100 divided by H, and H is here 50. So minus 100 by 50 is minus 2. Next 175 minus 225, it is minus 50. Minus 50 by 50 is minus 1. 225 minus 225, it is 0. 275 minus 225, 50. 50 by 50 is 1. 325 minus 225, 100. 100 by 50 is 2. So this is the column of UI. Now step division method is A plus summation Fi UI upon summation Fi into H. So now we have to require the product of Fi and UI. So Fi is here 4 and UI is minus 2. So 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. 5 into minus 1 minus 5. 12 into 0 is 0. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. So now find the summation of Fi and UI. So minus 8 minus 5. Minus minus plus 8 plus 5 is 13. So it is minus 13. 2 plus 4, it is plus 6. Now minus 13 and plus 6. Minus plus minus, 13 minus 6, 7. And sign which one? Minus 6 because 30 is written. Clear? So the summation Fi UI is minus 7. Now find the summation of Fi. So it is already given that there are how many houses? 25. You can also check here 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 12, 21. 21 plus 2, 23. 23 plus 2 is 25. So now put the value. A is 225 plus summation Fi UI. It is minus 7. Summation Fi is 25 and H is 50, which is the class size. Alright. So now 225 plus minus minus plus minus minus. Clear? 25 on the 25, 25 to the 50. You should cancel this 25 and 50. Now what is left here? 7 and 2. 7 to the 14. 1 2. And the denominator say only 1. So you don't need to write it. Now 225 minus 40. How much? 5 minus 4, 1. 2 minus 1, 1, 2. So what is the mean daily expenditure? It is rupees 211. Clear, student? So 211 rupees is the mean of daily expenditure of 25 houses. Clear? This is your question number 6. So next see question number 7. To find the concentration of SO2 in the air, the data was collected for 30 localities in a certain city and is presented below. So you can see here, there is a given table in which concentration of SO2 is given in ppm. So what is ppm? Parts per million. मतलब 30 different areas के हमें गिवन है कि एयर में कितनी सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड प्रेजेंट है SO2. ठीक है, मतलब कितनी, मतलब उसकी कंसंट्रेशन है. अगर हाईली रिएक्टिव होगा तो ज़्यादा कंसंट्रेशन होगी, अगर वो कम रिएक्टिव होगा तो उसकी कम कंसंट्रेशन होगी. ठीक है, सो हमें 30 डिफरेंट एरिया की क्या गिवन है? कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ SO2. सो अगर 0.00 से 0.04 तक गिवन है कंसंट्रेशन कितने एरियाज में? 4 इन 4 एरियाज. ठीक है, if concentration is 0.04 to 0.0 is given in 9 areas, similarly 0.08 to 0.12 given in 9 areas, 0.12 to 0.16 concentration in 2 areas, 0.16 to 0.20 in 4, and 0.20 to 0.24 in 2 areas. So we have to find what? Find the mean concentration of SO2 in the air. मतलब हमने find कर रहे हैं कि mean concentration of sulfur dioxide air में कितनी present है. So first you will make a table. So first write here class interval, then here frequency. Clear? So we have to find the mean by step deviation methodology. ठीक है? So first you will find your class mark, which is the average of lower class limit and upper class limit. So 0.00 plus 0.04. It is 0.04 divided by 2. It becomes 0.02. So similarly, next you will find the following class marks. So next one, 0.04 plus 0.08. It is 0.12 divided by 2 is 0.06. Next one is 0.08 to 0.12. It is how much? 0.20 by 2 is 0.10. Next one is 0.14, 0.18, 0.22. So now we have to find Ui. Xi minus A divided by H. So A is our assumed mean, which is the middle term taken in the class mark. So you can see here in class mark there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. So 6 is even. So either you can take third one or fourth one. ठीक है, अगर तो even terms है तो आप चाहे third term ले लो चाहे fourth term ले लो. Clear? So I will take here 0.14 as A. So A is 0.14 and H is class size. So what is the difference? Difference is 0.04. So find the Ui. 0.02 minus 0.14. It is minus 0.12 divided by 0.04. It is minus 3. So next 0.06 minus 0.14. It is minus 0.08 divided by 0.04. It is minus 2. Similarly next it is minus 1. This is 0. 0.18 minus 0.14. It is 0.04 divided by 2. It is 1. 0.22 minus 0.14. It is minus, plus 0.08 divided by 0.04. It is 2. Now find the product of Fi and Ui. So 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. 9 into minus 2, minus 18. 9 into minus 1, minus 9. 2 into 0 is 0. 4 ones are 4 and 2 twos are 4. So now find the summation of Fi and Ui. So 4 plus 4 is 8 minus 12 minus 18, it is minus 30, minus 30 minus 9, it is minus 39. Now minus 39 plus 8, how much? It is minus 31. Because minus plus minus, 39 minus 8 is 31. Now what is the summation Fi? Fi is given here 30, clear? 4 plus 9, 30, 30 plus 9, 22, plus 2, 24, plus 4, 28, plus 2, 30. So summation Fi is 30, 30. So now what is the formula? A plus summation Fi Ui over summation Fi into H. So what is the value of A? A is given 0.14. Summation Fi Ui, it is minus 31. Minus 31 divided by summation Fi, it is 3030 into H. H is 0.04. So it is 0.14 plus minus minus. So now multiply this 31 with 0.04. So it is how much? 31 into 0.04. 1.2 divided by 3030. Now divided 1.24 by 3030. It is 0.041 approximately. 0.041333. So you can also write here 0.041. Now subtract 0.14 minus 0.041. It is 0.140, 0.041, 990. So it is 0.099 ppm. Clear, student? So there is 0.099 ppm concentration of SO2 present in air. ठीक है, मतलब ये मेन concentration of SO2 है जो कितने areas का हमने find किया है of 30 different areas. Clear, students? So this is your question number 7. So now let's see question number 8. The class teacher has the following absentee record of 40 students of a class for the whole term. Find the mean number of days a student was absent. So क्वेश्चन में क्या गिवन है कि एक टीचर ने 40 स्टूडेंट्स का रिकॉर्ड रखा है कि पूरे टर्म में मतलब कितने स्टूडेंट्स एब्सेंट हुए. ठीक है. सो नंबर ऑफ डेज 0 to 6. नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स 11. इट मींस 11 स्टूडेंट्स एब्सेंट हुए 0 से लेके 6 डेज तक. ठीक है. जो स्टूडेंट एब्सेंट हुए 6 से लेके 10 डेज तक देयर आर 10 स्टूडेंट्स. 10 से लेके 14 तक 7 स्टूडेंट एब्सेंट हैं. 14 डेज टू 20 डेज देयर आर 4 स्टूडेंट एब्सेंट. 20 से लेके 28 डेज तक 4. 28 to 38 डेज तक 3 स्टूडेंट एब्सेंट हैं और 38 से 40 तक ओनली 1 स्टूडेंट वाज एब्सेंट. सो you can see here in this given interval the difference is not same because check करो कि 0 से लेके 6 तक जो difference है that is 6. 6 to 10 difference is 4. 10 to 14 difference is 4. 14 to 20 difference 6. 20 to 28 difference 8. 28 to 30 difference 10. 38 to 40 difference 2. So class interval में जो difference that is different. So we apply here either you can apply direct method or by assumed mean method. ठीक है, क्योंकि क्लास जो स्टेप डिवीजन मेथड है उसमें जो क्लास साइज है h उसकी वैल्यू सेम होनी चाहिए. ठीक है, बट यहाँ पर वो सेम नहीं है, इस करके हम यहाँ अप्लाई करेंगे by assumed mean method. Clear, students? So first make a column of class interval and write here frequency. So now we'll find class mark. So class mark is what? Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. So 0 plus 6. 6 by 2 is 3. 6 plus 10 is 16. 16 by 2 8. 10 plus 14 24 by 2 12. 14 plus 20 34 by 2 17. 20 plus 28 is 48 by 2 24. 28 plus 38 how much? It is 66. 66 by 2 is 33. And 38 plus 40 is 78. 78 by 2 is 39. So alright, now we have to find the value of di. Di is what? Xi minus a. A is our assessment taken from the middle term of this class bar. So in this class bar there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 terms. So which one is middle term? Middle term is fourth one. So value of a is here 17. And a is 17. Now find the di. Di is xi minus a. So 3 minus 17 minus 14. 8 minus 17 minus 9. 12 minus 17 minus 5. 17 minus 17 0. 24 minus 17. It is 7. 33 minus 17. How much? It is 16. Clear, students? Next, 39 minus 17. 22. So now find the product of fi and di in this last column. So 11 into minus 14 is minus 154. 10 into minus 9 is minus 9090. 7 5 is 35. 4 into 0 0. 4 7 is 28. 13 16 is 48. And 1 into 22 is 22. So now find the summation of fi and di. So what is the formula for assuming a plus summation fi di upon summation fi. So now find the summation. First we will solve this negative terms and then this positive terms. 4 plus 5 is 9. 5 plus 9 14 plus 2 17. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2. It is minus 279. And when we add this positive terms, 8 plus 8 16 plus 2 18. 1 carry. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 4 7. 7 plus 2 9. Now minus 279 plus 98. How much? 9 minus 8 1. 17 minus 9 8 and 1. So it is minus 181. Clear, students? Now what is summation fi? Summation fi is 4040 because there are 40 students. ठीक है? हमने मतलब 40 students का record collect किया था. So now put the values. A is 70. Summation fi di is minus 181 and summation fi is 40. So plus minus minus, or you can write 18.1 by 4. So it is 17 minus 4 4s are 16. 0.45 are 20. 10. 4 2s are 8. 2 5s are 20. So it is 4.525. Now subtract this 4.525 from 17. It is how much? 5 7 4 2 12.475. So 12.475 is the mean number of days of a student can absent. ठीक है, मतलब ये mean number of days है जिसमें हर एक student जो absent हो. Clear? This is your question number 8. So this is your last question number 9 of exercise number 14.1. The question is, the following table gives the literacy rate in percentage of 35 cities. So find the mean literacy rate. So what is given in this question? That the literacy rate in different 35 cities was given. So in the first interval, literacy rate is starting from 45 to 55%. There are how many cities? 3 cities. In 10 cities, there are literacy rate of 55 to 65%. In 11 cities, literacy rate is 65 to 75%. In 8 cities, literacy rate is 75 to 85%. And in 3 cities, the literacy rate is 85 to 95%. So we have to find the mean literacy rate in these 35 cities. So first, we will make a table in which write the first class interval and the third column right here frequency. So we have to find their class mark. So what is class mark? Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. So 45 plus 55 is 100, by 2 is 50. Similarly, you can find the other class mark. Second one is 60, 70, 80 and 90. So now we have to solve this question by step deviation method. So we have to need to find here ui. What is ui? Is equal to xi minus a upon h. So a is our assuming taken in class 1. So which is the middle term? That is 70. Because in a total 5 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and middle term is third one. So third term is 17. So the value of a is here 70. Now what is h? H is the class size, which is the difference of lower limit and upper limit. So the difference is, you can see here, difference is 10. In all interval, the difference should be same, that is 10. Now find the value of ui. xi minus a, xi is 50 and value of a is 70. 50 minus 70, it is minus 20. Minus 20 by h, h is 10. So minus 20 by 10 is minus 2. 60 minus 70, minus 10. Minus 10 by 10 is minus 1. 70 minus 70 is 0. 80 minus 70 is 10. 10 by 10 is 1. 90 minus 70, 20. 20 by 10 is 2. Now find the product of fi and ui. So 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. 10 into minus 1, minus 10. 11 into 0, 0. 8 ones are 8 and 3 twos are 6. 8 plus 6 is 14 and minus 6 minus 10 is minus 16. Now minus 16 plus 14, it is minus 2. And summation of fi is how much? 35. Because the literacy rate is given for 35 cities. So now what is the formula? A plus summation fi ui divided by summation fi into h. The value of a is 70 plus summation fi ui. It is minus 2. Summation fi is 35 and h is class size, which is 10. So plus minus 2 tens are 20 divided by 35. It is, you can cancel in the table of 5. 5 4s are 20, 5 7s are 35. 4 by 7 and 4 by 7 is 0 point how much? 0.57 approximately. Now subtract 0.57 from 70. It is 69.43. So the 69.43% is the average literacy rate for 35 cities. Clear students? So this is your last question number 9 of exercise 14.1. Thank you.